কবি ওমর খৈয়াম বলেছেন, রুটি মদ ফুরিয়ে যাবে, প্রিয়ার কালো চোখ ঘোলাটে হয়ে আসবে, কিন্তু একখানা বই অনন্ত যৌবনা। Dear viewers, this is Professor Liaquat Hussain. Today I am in the International Book Fair in Dhaka. So I love to collect books, I love to read books. But it's a matter of sorrow that we see the Bangladeshi people love to collect books, they love to purchase books to show the people that they are highly educated. They show that they are literate person. Actually, they don't read books. They show their books as a showpiece in their drawing room. So I want to say that please visit the book fair with your friends, with your family members, with your children. So if you can read books, you can enlighten yourself. You can see the whole world. Understand? You cannot visit the world within a second, within few minutes, within few hours. But by reading books, you can visit America, you can visit Russia, you can visit China through a book. So read the books to enlarge your mind, to refresh your mind, to broaden your mind, to enlighten your mind. If you read books, you can imagine better. If you can imagine better, you can take proper decisions. So if you are in a job, if you are in a business, please read books. Okay, people show respect towards the learned people, towards the learned person. Those who read books, they are always one step ahead in their career, in their job, in their business. Understand? So always, this is my suggestions. Read books, understand books, and apply the knowledge in your everyday life. So please encourage the next generation to read the books. I want to say that maybe the bookstore is going to be shut down, but you can read your book every day, 365 days a year. Okay, so every day please make a habit to read your books at least 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 30 minutes. If it is 30 minutes, that is better. You can see the whole world and you can enlighten yourself. Okay, knowledge is power. Okay, so if you want to get the power of the world, please read books and let your children to read the books, and you can apply the knowledge in your practical life. So see you, thank you very much, bye bye, tata.